welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a minute, but I wanted to show y'all how y'all can create some pretty awesome packaging with lots of colors, or maybe even the color of your logo. So the first thing, y'all know I just hop right into it. So the first thing you need is confetti, any kind of confetti. This confetti I got from Five Below. And then you need whatever color paper you're going to use. So my brand colors are like pink, gold, like a dark pink and a light pink. So I'm gonna use those colors plus some other colors, like rainbow colors, pretty much. So these are the colors I will be using. So you want to make sure that you get, I think the weight of this paper was like 85 pounds or something like that. I just got paper from Walmart. You can get any kind of paper. It doesn't matter. And then make sure you get you a shredder. So this shredder shreds in, how can I say it? It's like paper cut shred. It's like little bitty pieces. I forgot the actual name of it. Do I still have the box, y'all? I don't think I had a box, but it was like $49 from Walmart. So what we are going to do, and I probably need to bring you guys up a little bit higher because so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, so bam. Okay, so we're gonna turn this bad boy on to the middle, and we are just going to shred paper. I'm gonna take another color. I tried to do like alternate colors. That was a lot, y'all. I think this one does 9 papers at a time. So you don't want to put too many papers. Alright, so y'all get adjust to that. That's how that works. So you just shred the paper. So I'm gonna show you what it looks like. I already did some. So it looks like this. This is the shredded paper. And then so what I did was, since there is a trash bin for the shredded paper, I just took some, put it in here, and then I sprinkled my confetti mix. And I pulled some from the shredder and put it in here. I did it in like layers. So that way you won't just have a big chunk of confetti at the top and then you gotta go through the box and do all this shifting around. You don't have to do all that. So no more buying shredded paper from the Dollar Tree because I'm tired of driving to $6 or $7 Dollar Trees trying to find just the colors that I want, purple and pink, shredded paper. So now I no longer have to do that. I can just do this in my own hem, just like this. I'm being silly today, y'all, but y'all ain't seen me in a minute. But that is the paper. It's so pretty. And if you guys ever ordered something from me, you know how amazing my boxes look. Yes, they're cute. They have this little shredded paper. I know when y'all get my boxes, y'all be like, just be trying to put it in the trash, but so what? It's still cute. So this is how y'all can make y'all boxes look cute. When you're gonna put your little cute little earrings in there or whatever it is that you make and you put this in there, I guarantee your customer's gonna be like, it was packed with love. It is beautiful. I loved it. I never had a box like that. Trust and believe me, okay? Do this method and you won't go wrong. Thank you for watching my channel. Please make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit the bell so that you can see all my videos. Thank y'all for watching. Bye.